Good morning and Jai Hind. In continuation with our LC on page number 25, a poem is given. So let us read this. It is not growing like a tree in bulk, doth make man better be, or standing as an oak 300 years, to fall a log at last, dry, bald and sere. A lily of a day is fairer in May, although it fall and died that night. It was the plant and flower, O light. In small proportions we just beauties see, and in short measures life may perfect be. So this is the poem. So let us start the answers given below this poem. So these are the questions given below the poem. So let us read this. First A. How long does an oak tree live? Here you have to write 300 years. Okay. Now the B. What happens to the lily flower? Here you have to write lily flower blossom and die on the same day. Okay. Lily flower blossom and die on the same day. What is oak tree compared to? The oak tree is compared to lily. Okay. The oak tree is compared to lily. You have to write this here. Next is, what do you see in small proportions? So here you have to write, we see the beauties in small proportion. We see the beauties in small proportion. Okay. The next one, E. Point out any two pairs of rhyming words in the above stanza. Okay. So you may write here night, light, or day, may, as you feel appropriate or you find in the poem. So now the second one, here you have to choose the correct option. The flowers of light is, here the answer is lily. Okay. The month in which lily blossom is May. Whose life is shorter but perfect? Again the answer is lily. The word perfect is an adjective. The superlative degree of the word wet is wettest. Now turn the page. The third one. Write the rhyme scheme of the first paragraph of the poem. So it would be AA, BB. AA, BB. Okay. Complete the phrase to form a simile. You may write here, as dry as a field, 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 as beautiful as a flower, and as bold as Amit Shah. I think this is the best option we have right now, as bold as Amit Shah. Okay. Now this is the type 3 exercise given on the page number 26. Now let us start type 3 exercise. In this we have to rearrange the words and make the meaningful sentence. Okay. And you have to rewrite here in the blank space. So for this sentence we have to write Kalaripattu is the martial art from Kerala. Okay. Kalaripattu is the martial art from Kerala. Now the B1. It is known as the mother of Kung Fu and Karate. Okay. It is known as the mother of Kung Fu and Karate. Okay. Now the next one, it would be, it was taken to Southeast Asia by Buddhist monks. It was taken to Southeast Asia by Buddhist monks. Okay. Now the next one, D1. There it developed into the present form of karate. There it developed into the present form of karate. Okay, now the next one, second A. The albatross is a seabird mostly found in the southern hemisphere. Okay, the albatross is a seabird mostly found in the southern hemisphere. Now the next one, it has the largest wingspan than any living bird. It has the largest wingspan than any living bird. Okay. Now the next one, they can stay at sea for several months. They can stay at sea for several months. On the next one, D. It is mostly white in color. It is mostly white in color. Now the third A. Malnutrition is responsible for half of the child's death all over the world. Malnutrition is responsible for half of the child's death all over the world. Now coming towards the next page. Now on page number 27, third B, it would be, it can take many forms like protein energy malnutrition. Okay, it can take many forms like protein energy malnutrition. Now next one, in early childhood, better nutrition may reduce heart disease and other diseases in later life. Okay, in early childhood, better nutrition may reduce heart disease and other diseases in later life. Okay, now next is, vitamin A has a profound effect on child's health. Vitamin A has a profound effect on child's health. Now the fourth A. The A1 would be, New York was discovered by Italian navigator in 1524. Okay, New York was discovered by Italian navigator in 1524. The next would be, it is the largest and port city in the United States of America. It is the largest and port city in the United States of America. Okay. The last one, Hudson River lies on the mouth of the city at the New York Bay. Hudson River lies on the mouth of the city at the New York Bay. I am going to end my video now. Thank you.